And let us make it very clear, and very, very clear. Nobody should harass our people. You are not killing foreigners. You are killing Biafrans. You are killing Biafrans. And sometimes some of you are killing our own people. That is what you people are doing. Mazi Chinedu, let me make it very clear. Those people committing this crime, for example in Imo State, they will kidnap an IPOB member. An IPOB member, maybe who came from diaspora. There are many cases of our people who came from diaspora. They took away their cars, took away their money, their phones, and those people will tell them, I am IPOB, I am the secretary of IPOB in this country, I am a member of IPOB. They will call names, and those people will continue to perpetuate their evil act. We know what we are saying. Many of our people, because of this issue, a cousin of Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, they took away his car. He told them, I am a sister to Barrister Ejiofor. They took away his car. Barrister Nnemeka Ejiofor, they killed his cousin. And you tell me these are ESN officers who don't know who is Barrister Ejiofor? Who don't know who is Barrister Nnemeka Ejiofor? Many of our people, and you told me these are ESN, people are coming to support nonsense. One of our IPOB member came back from diaspora for a wedding with the car he bought. They took it away. He told them, I am an IPOB member. They didn't care to know. And you tell me we have to keep silent? In Enugu, some of these boys patrolling today. Now, we saw them patrolling. We saw the video. And these are not ESM members. They think we don't know them. These are people who left the camp because of money. We know them. What they want is for us to have then people will say, see them, the ESN now is no more killing people in the Fulani in the bush. They are now attacking their people. Then look at what those people are doing to our people. Let us blame them first before we will blame the victim. Let us blame these people causing this havoc because they have intention to make sure our people is killed. Because the moment they continue to kill our people will revolt against the struggle. They are not killing foreigners. They are not killing the Fulani herdsmen. They are not killing those who are killing their parents, their children, their brothers and sisters. They are killing their own people. Last time on this sit at home, they went out one place in Nsukka, open fire, kill 5 of our people. Is this accepted? Those who know them, warn them. Those who know them, warn them. I am not going to come on radio every time to tell you, but our actions will speak louder. If you feel that there is nothing, you believe one IPO the other half, Mazi Chinedu, I will stop here. Mazi, let me tell you, I saw group of people that was these are coordinators. I don't know if they are really in IPOB. We are making inquiry. They could be able to receive gossip that they gathered. They call themselves the Shabbat people. They gathered, killing white chicken for China Sanwo-Olu and Chike Doziem. Are you understanding me?
Yes.
And when I look at them, I saw foolishness in them. You are killing Okoka Greek for China Sanwo-Olu. Have you heard the Okoka Greek at Twaji? Are you understanding me?
Yes.
And why were they doing it on Facebook? Because those who pay them money, they want those people to see that they have done something against China Sanwo-Olu and Chike Doziem.
So more money will
are you understanding me? Are you understanding me? They now come to kill white chicken for Chinasa Nworu and Chike Doziem. And I sent them a message when I told them, swear that if these things you are saying, which they didn't respond in that particular page, I said, swear that these things you are saying is true. If it is not true, I swear to Chukwu Okike Abịama, you see those people, mark them. People in Aba, mark them. They will come to ask IPOB money for the burial of their family and for them. Look at upon the money they collected, whether 10 million or 5 million, it was white chicken they can be able to kill on the head of Chinasa Nworu. A man of self-accountability and deep-rooted immorality. I can slaughter 10 cows on their head. But who are they? They are nobody. Because tomorrow, if something happens to them, they say, oh, Chinasa Nworu. Do you know somebody inboxed me, say that Chinasa Nworu is blocking his Facebook page? That I am attacking. I have time with thousands of people following me. You understand me? So our people, there are the ones in Anambra, they call them Chikodi. He says senatorial. They buy ram. This stupid woman, this harlot in America, gave them money to kill ram on the head of Mazi Chike Doziem and Chinasa Nworu. They perform the same thing. Send them the video for them to see that they are killing ram. That Chinasa Nworu and Chike Doziem will never see DOS, all of them. I ask him, can ignorance be to this level, Mazi? Even those, you collected almost 5 million. You could not even buy a goat. You could not even buy a chicken. It is all agri chickens, 5,000 naira. You are bringing cost to your family. You are bringing cost. Hagajo, Apam Chinasa Ramoku, Okwa Chinasa Kambo. Okwa Chinasa Kambo. O Chineke Nasa Ramoku. Egbo Palamu Mirunku, Wonkenta, Maze. Egbo Chinasa Nworu, Egbo Lemu Mirunku, Wonkenta. I have seen Kahabrupa Nuche. Otu ha de aha somewhere. Otu ha ji ọkụkọ gworo n'isi Chinasa. Ha bido kụwa their date of burial. All of them. Aga m naanị ya na ntị. IPOB ga-ewetekwa ego were lie ha. Zụọkwa ụmụ ha na school. That is what will happen. Ndewo maazị.
Ndewo.